welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, we are going to be doing a tanning routine video. So I have collabed with Loving Tan so many times over on this channel because they are literally my favourite tanning brand ever. I love them so much. And yeah, I have such a good relationship with them. A few weeks back, Loving Tan sent me one of their little boxes out. I have had 2 of these in the past, and yeah, I'm obsessed. I love everything that's inside. And this time it's actually even more special because they have just launched their UK website. So it's a celebration of Loving Tan coming to the UK because obviously they are an Australian brand. And yeah, so I'm going to quickly show you the contents of what's inside this box. But before I do that, I do want to show you these as well, which they kindly sent to me. How flippin' cute are these koala slippers? Aren't they just adorable? So they also say Loving Tan on the side here. And yeah, they are just so cute. I love them so much, and they are actually so comfy. But yeah, they also sent those over to me, which I'm so grateful for. But yeah, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my TikTok and my Instagram. And without further ado, let's have a look what's inside this box. So here is the box. I love their boxes so much. And here is the little card. So it just says, Loving Tan, we have landed in the UK. And they've just wrote me a little message there, which is so cute. Loving Tan has arrived in the UK and we are so excited to celebrate with you. Hope you enjoy these products and also trying some of our Australian treats. Lots of love, the Loving Tan team. How amazing. So here is what you see. Oh my gosh, look at this. Another little koala, adorable. And yeah, here are all the products. So they have double treated me this time, and I have got 2 tans to choose from. But yeah, my shade is dark that I get, so I have got my, like, I rave about this all the time. This, if you're gonna get your hands on anything, this and the tan is what you need to get, because I love this stuff so much. It's the Deluxe Face Tan, and yeah, I use this all the time. It's amazing, just to give you that tinted glow. And to be fair, it's the only one that I've found that doesn't break me out. So yeah, you get that. You get the Bronze Shimmer Luminous Cream, which I'm going to use on Saturday because it is my birthday. So yeah, I'm going to use that on Saturday to make me shimmer. Then there's also the Deluxe Gradual Tan, which is here, which leaves you like a really nice natural olive colour. That one's really good as well. And then yeah, we've got the Loving Tan Deluxe Bronzing Mousse, and this one's just the Instant Bronzer Self Tanner and Moisturiser. So obviously this one you leave overnight and it develops. And then you've got this one, which is the 2 Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. So obviously this one says it only takes 2 hours really. So if you're in a rush, this one is perfect. Going on a last minute night out and you find out that morning, you can put this on, have it on throughout the day, and then like wash it off before you go out, and then you're good to go. Then they've also sent me 2 deluxe applicator mitts here. As you can see, these are amazing as well. These are so good, so soft, and they don't smear at all. And then we move this and we can see the treats that they've sent me as well. So I've tried the Tim Tams before because they've sent them in the previous boxes. These are really nice. They just taste like penguin bars. And then we've got some Nestle Milo Efficient Energy Release. Is this for like a drink? Great hot or cold, yeah. Oh, that's interesting. Oh my gosh, that's really interesting. Then we've got a Caramello Koala. That looks tasty. That looks really nice. Oh, we've got another one of those. And then we've also got some Eucalyptus Aussie Drops, they're called. And they've got a little koala on them as well. So these look a little bit like throat lozenges, I'm guessing. But yeah, so they are all the little treats in there as well. Thank you so much to Loving Tan for sending me out that box. You know I love you guys so much. And yeah, let's get some tan on because I'm excited to be bronzed again because it's been way too long. So I've just got out of the bath, so I'm gonna quickly moisturize. So I'm gonna just use my Palmer's Coconut Oil Coconut Hydrate Moisturizer, and I'm just gonna put that on my knees. just like so, and then like spread it down my legs as well. I'm also going to put it on my ankles and my heel, because that's where I always find tan, like it grasps to them areas. So I'm just gonna moisturize those. Then also I'm going to moisturize my chest, because I have really bad eczema on my chest and I've flared up quite a bit. So if this hopefully will help the tan not stick to it as much, but if it does, then that's just my eczema, if I'm honest. It's just how my skin is, which is so annoying, but hey ho. And then the last little bit I'm just going to put on my elbows and my wrists and knuckles. But yeah, that is where I moisturize. I'm going to start by opening the Deluxe Applicator Mitt. We are running on precious time because the sun is starting to go down. So here is the mitt. It is so soft. It's literally like a velvet smooth. Love it. So yeah, I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to use the Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in the shade Dark. So it says avoid perspiration or water for 6 hours while the tan develops. So it's saying that this tan only needs 6 hours, but I'm going to just leave it overnight anyway, just to get the best results. But yeah, so let's tan. Look at the colour already. Such a nice colour. But yeah, you will start to see like my eczema patches here, which obviously isn't the tan's fault. It is literally just my skin. It's an imperfection, but it's something I have to live with. So yeah, if you see patchiness, it is my eczema, it's not the tan. So I'm just gonna race through this bit, time lapse it, and get back to you once I have tanned my whole body.
Green eyes caught staring at the high life, wishing you could be like them. They got the fast cars, diamonds on the high rise, always looking like a 10. Yeah, the first class always gotten everything they wanted. Turns out they're lonely just the same. So tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights. You wanna chase that shot.
There you go. This is what I mean about my eczema. Look how bad my eczema is. Like, you can tell that that's not the tan. The tan is incredible. I love it, but yeah, my eczema just doesn't agree with it at all, which is a pain in the arse, to be honest. But this looks much worse now, because I've just had a bath as well. The hot water has like flared it up more. But yeah, when I wash this tan off tomorrow, it'll look so much better. It just looks really aggressive right now. But yeah, this is what I have to deal with, basically. This is not the tan. As you can see, it is my eczema. You can really see how it like clings to it, just because of how dry my skin is. But obviously I've moisturised and everything as well. But yeah, I still like fake tanning. I still love this tan to pieces. I've just got to obviously deal with that. But look at this tan. I'm just obsessed. And yeah, I'm excited to see what it looks like tomorrow. So I'm gonna now tan my face with the Deluxe Face Tan. I need to find my face tan brush because I have no idea where it's gone. Obviously we've just recently moved, so everything's a bit all up in the air and I have no idea where I put that brush. So yeah, let me find that and then we will tan my face. So we're just in my dressing room now and I need a mirror, so I'm just gonna pop this on my face with my Spectrum 00, is it 0? No, it's D04 brush. I just have a few brushes that I use. It's never anything specific. This is like a stippling brush. But yeah, I just apply the face tan with a brush because I find it so much easier than applying it with my hands, because then it tans my hands then, which I don't really want. But yeah, so I'm just gonna squirt this onto the brush and then start applying.
Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie, 'cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. On the other side.
And there you go. There is the tan on my face. It looks so nice when it's like fully developed. I feel like I need to put a little bit more on my cheeks maybe. Oh my god, look at my eczema. I really wish this would just, if I'm honest, because it's just horrid. This tan is literally so nice and so good, but honestly, do not be alarmed, because this is what I have to deal with. This is what happens all the time when I tan. Yeah, it's quite annoying actually. This is what I'm looking like now, so I will check back in with you guys tomorrow morning once I have washed all of it off, because I'm now going to leave it on for 12 hours overnight. It'll be a bit longer than 12 hours to be honest, because I don't even know what time it is now. Let me have a look. So I've just checked the time and it is 3:30. So yeah, I'll be leaving it on for like way over 12 hours because I'm not washing it off at 3:30 in the morning. I'll probably be washing it off at like 10, 11-ish. So yeah, I'm going to be leaving it on for that long, leave it on overnight, sleep in it, and yeah, I will check back in with you guys tomorrow morning. See you. Morning everyone. So it is the next day and I am all washed off. I am such a nice colour, as you can see. So this is my eczema now. It's not really showing up on camera, but as you can see it has settled a lot, but I am feeling tanned. I'm feeling nice. Let me just show you my legs. Yeah, I'm feeling so tanned, as you can see. Washed my face and everything. My face is still all tanned. It's washing me out because of the lighting. I have not been blessed with natural lighting today because the weather is absolutely shocking. You'll have to excuse my hair as well, it's a bit crazy. But let me try and show you in natural light. Yeah, this is natural lighting. Well, as best as natural lighting it's gonna get. But yeah, I am in love with this tan. I will never stop raving about it because it is amazing. If you haven't got eczema like me, then it'll apply to your skin so much nicer than mine. But every tan that I have ever tried is like that. It's not the tan, it's literally my skin, which is so annoying. But that's where the gradual tan comes in really nicely, because it's a moisturizing one. Still love using mousse tans because I just do, but yeah, gradual tans are what work for me the best. So I will be using the gradual tan tomorrow just to top up my tan now, because I want this for Saturday because it is my birthday on Saturday. Yeah, I am in love with this tan so much, always will be. Loving tan will forever have a special place in my heart. But yeah, so that is going to conclude this video. I really do hope you enjoyed. That is my little tanning routine, getting prepped and ready for my birthday. That is this video. I'm going to go and dry the rest of my hair because yeah, I've let it like naturally dry, but it's just taking forever. So I'm going to go and dry the rest of my hair. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Loving Tan for collaborating with me. I love you guys so much. Make sure you go check out their UK website because obviously they have launched in the UK now, which is so exciting. It makes all of us here in the UK, it makes it so much easier for us to grab hold of the items. And yeah, you don't want to miss out on getting them because the products are insane. Yeah, thank you so much to Loving Tan. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for my box, for my slippers, for all my little Australian goodies. I can't wait to have a chocolate bar with, I think I'm gonna have one of my caramel koalas with a cup of tea in a minute. Also, before I forget to mention, it would have been on the screen at the start of this video, but remember to use my code Ellie Self. I'll put it on the screen and I'll put it in the description down below. Use that code to get a free tanning mitt with any mousse or gradual tan purchase. Amazing, because that applicator mitt is my fave as well. Like, it's so soft, it applies the tan so nicely, it doesn't streak. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok, and yeah, I will see you next time for a brand new video. Bye.
For the camera, check my body names. They got the cool brains, followers and fans. Yeah, it seems that they got it made. But the slaves to